The array flat method creates a new array with all the subarray's elements concatenated into it. It works recursively up to the specified depth. Let's see in code how that works. We have here an array which has an array inside of an array inside of an array inside of an array. So we have multiple depths of this array. But we want at the end to have something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. So we want to have a one-dimensional array. We can do so with the array.flat method. Let's store the result, array.flat, and let's see what we have now. Console.log result. Alright, good. You can see that it removed one array, but we still have an array inside of an array here. And why is that? That's because we haven't provided a depth here to the flat method telling how deep it should go inside the nested arrays. By default, the value is 1. But if we provide here 3, which is the level we have, and save, now you can see that we get the array we wanted. What happens now if we add here 5 inside another array? Well, then we're going to get that inside of an array. So what if we want to have the array flat method to work for an infinite number of nested arrays? Well, for that we can pass here infinity, and this will work now for no matter how many arrays we have nested inside of an array. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!